Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Makeup Time with Julia. My name is Julia. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are not, welcome back. In today's video, we are just going to do, will I say, tutorial slash review on this mini palette from MUA Academy. All right. We have 15 shades in total. There is no name on it, just a number. All right. Just quickly prime my eyes with P. Louise base. You don't need much with P. Louise at all. You really just need tiny little bit. Okay, just gonna by the way, I hope you are doing okay. There you go. These are all the 15 shades. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. This very one here. Oh, looks like we might at some point maybe experience fallout or something. The brush now is quite big, but let me just put this here. Look at the brush. Look at that. Effortless. MUA. And with what I noticed, they have a full line now. Was looking for foundation the other day. The day I got this, although I didn't find my shades. Some of them are sold out, but there is stock. Am I able to find a foundation? Because I also have the highlighter, which I was gonna use today. I can't even find it now. Brought it from upstairs, so I'm gonna go in now with this here. Not change my brush. Oh, okay. Just a more. So I'm gonna go back in with this shade now. Just gonna apply this outer corner of my eyes. Just gonna take a different brush. Just gonna go in with this yellow here. My mirror, it will become very handy at this point. Okay, I'm just gonna apply this here. I'm not too keen on it. I just wanna be close to you. Just gonna wet this brush. I'm using this, my new setting spray. She smells so good. Okay, so let me show you the next shade I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna go with this. I'm just gonna pack this on my lid. This brush, anyway, I'm just gonna use this here. So let's just pick it up. I hope it will show. This is not the brush I had in mind because it's bigger and it will be more quicker, if you know what I mean. No, I don't like it. I'm using something else. I want to use this one. Do I need to spray? No. But if I do need to spray after, I'll let you know. Alright. So just bear with me. Now we're talking. There. I'm just gonna apply more of this. More of this shade. So let's turn it down. We go in with this shade first. All right. So I have my hand mirror. So I'm just gonna press it here. I'm gonna use this yellow here. Let's see how it goes. See the way this yellow is showing up here. I want exactly. See the way the yellow is showing up here. I want exactly the same on the bottom lashes. So I'm just gonna change my brush to this small one. Is the color. So I'm gonna go back in with the same yellow. With the same yellow. Change my brush just purposely. Don't want to be too far from the camera. Even my top is doing me headache today. Sit back. Wish I can look up like this and just. I'm just gonna do my eyeliner off camera, then I'll get back to you. All right, we are back now. I've done the rest of my face off camera, you know, just to save us a bit of time anyway. So it's all about this palette anyway. So for inner corner, I'm just gonna go in with this shade here. Something just melt on my skin. Wow, it's going on here. No, I don't like it. This shade, because this one is not showing that much. Let me come close. Okay, a little bit better. This Revolution Pro. Put the hand mirror down. Now I'm looking for it again. feel like applying a bit of this as well. Be tempted. Is this? I hate it when you don't stay focused. On top, my city girl. Yeah, so it won't be too dry after. All right, setting spray. Oh wow. Okay, this is now the final look of today. We've done, everything is done now, and I use this shade on my tear dots inner corner, if you will. Yeah, that's it now. So if you wonder what highlighter I used today, it's actually Gold Digger from Primark. That's the highlighter I used today. And for my blush, this is what I use from Rimmel. Setting spray, I've already showed you before. Setting spray for today, favorite, and the concealer as well. So that's what we use today. All right, for my lashes, I actually use MUA today. For my lashes, this is what I use today, MUA. I'm sure it's this way. Okay, this is MUA. Just like the rest, you can use these lashes between 25 to 30 times, so it's reusable. Don't be afraid to go and get your hands on some of MIT lashes by Julia. It's available now on our website, www.makeupitime.com. So just go and try it out yourself. All right, like I said on my previous video, we have 6 different types of eyelashes you can choose from. So go and get yours. If you like this very one here, even with my hooded eye, it's perfect. Not too big, not too long, not too short. It's just right for me. Okay, let's get down to the business again now. So this palette is absolutely lovely little palette, I would say. It's not big, 15 shades. Just less than 4 pounds from Superdrug. I truly like it. We will add it to our collection. It's colorful, as you can see. It's colorful palette, so you're gonna have to create something, you know, colorful with it. But today we just decide to go with just basic green, and now kind of match my earring and my top. So I like this palette. It's for the price. It's just okay for the price. So if you want to get yours, you can get it from Superdrug, and they have a full face now. MUA Academy, they have a full face. They have a foundation, eyeliner, name it, concealer. They have all sorts now. That means in future, and it's really affordable. Their brand is really affordable. You know, in future we are thinking of doing a full face, just use the MUA Academy, MUA Makeup Academy, you know, for full face. But we will look into that in future. So overall, I like the palette. You know, I like it. I might go and get another shades. It's really nice. It's beautiful. Everything came just right. Come together so right. So yeah. Okay, that's it now. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have, thank you very much. Don't forget to keep that notification bell, so whenever we upload video or our weekly upload, so you won't miss out. Also follow us on Instagram. It's at Makeup in Time with Julia. That is our Instagram name. We are also on Facebook anyway, if you want to follow us as well. So okay, that's it for today, and I shall see you guys on my very next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you next time.